Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. What you have to do for the pattern, we need to have multiple of 4 plus 2 for edges. You are going to make any kind of ribs to start, but for the pattern, for the first row, what we have to do, we are going to start by I'm going to take the first one, then I need 3 stitches, 1 2 3. When it comes to the fourth one, I insert my hook here between these 2 stitches, grab the yarn and then knit the 4 stitches. Repeat again by knit 3, insert my hook behind the first one, grab the yarn and then knit stitch number 4. Repeat. One, 2, 3. Insert the hook, then knit the stitch and the last one as a edge, like that. This is row 1. For row 2, what we have to do, we are going to knit 1. When it comes to that stitch we already grabbed, we are going to take that one and the next one and pull together. Let's do it again. You are going to pull 3 when it comes to that stitch you grabbed in previous row. Take that one and the next one and then just pull together. 1 2 3. As you can see here again, just pull together. Repeat until the end of the row. Like that. Next row, we are going to take that one. Now, as you can see here in this pattern, always from the beginning and at the end you have to change and be careful of the stitches, but in the middle always is 3 knit and 1 pattern, but in the beginning and at the end you have to be careful. As you can see here, my pattern now is here. It means that I have to take the first one. In this row I have to just knit again 2 knit. When it comes to that pattern, I insert my hook here, grab the yarn and then knit this one together like this. Now as I told you, I'm in the middle of the pattern, so I knit 3 and then repeat the pattern again. Knit 3, insert the hook here. Always it has to be behind that one. 1 2 3. Again I'm here. As you can see here, the pattern, it should be start from that part, and when it goes to the other part it has to be finished. So it means that now I have one here. I'm going to knit and then the edge. Next row, as I told you, you have to be careful that the stitches is like that. You have to take it with the other one and pull together. One, 2, 3. You don't have any problem in the middle of the pattern, but you have to be careful for the last part and first part. As you can see here, this is the stitch. I have to take it. Now I have only left here one and edge. Let's do it again in this row. As you can see here, my pattern now is here. It means that I have to take just knit one. Now the pattern is here. Insert my hook here, grab the yarn and knit that one. In the middle is easy because you have to knit 3, and the fourth one you have to make the pattern. As you can see here, the pattern starts in this part. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 2 here, so I'm going just knit them. As you can see, the pattern now is a start from here, and this one is going to be finished. I'm going to continue to show you how to finish that part, and then after that it's gonna be repeat the pattern like we just started. Just always make sure to pull these together, because if you forget to do that, you are going to have more stitches and the pattern is going to be totally different. Always when it comes to that one, it's time to just pull together. Now as you can see here, the first pattern is almost finished. So what you have to do in this, you are going to insert the hook here and then knit together like that. Let's continue the pattern until the end of the row. Now as you can see here, I have 3 stitches, just you are going to knit. Now it's time to pull together. One, two, 3. When it comes to that part, I'm going to take this one and the first one together and pull like that. And this is the front side. As you can see, the pattern start from here and finish here. But now it's time like row 1 by knit 3, then do the 4 stitch like that. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, now you have 4 stitches, so you are going to knit 3. When it comes to the last one, insert the hook and make the 4th one. So it means that this one is gonna be new pattern. If you repeat from row 1 to that row. You are going after few rows. Your pattern should look like that. As you can see here, I told you the pattern start from here and then finish in that. See, these are all new, and this is the front side and back side of the work. You can use any kind of edge as a start, any kind of rib, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.